Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ETRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very solid move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, this wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree this was a good, solid move today. But that does bring up, like I said, that logical question. But is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of, knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts. Makes things very straight and to the point, and that level is right down here at 6 cents. Why is 6 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 6 cents. Any sort of closes below 6 cents, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there, and if you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They progress in the upwards direction. So in my mind, 6 cents, very important level of support. Ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? If the price can maintain up above 7 cents, that would be the best case scenario, but by no means am I saying that if the price breaks below 7 cents, everything's ruined. Not saying that at all, for the very reason that we talked about in regards to 6 cents. What about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds? For this, I need to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. Always a good problem to have. So there we go. Can't tell if the price broke above this area or not. Let's see. Yep, so that level is already broken right about here. What about? So 9 cents is going to be the next key one. Price essentially closed right at that. But nonetheless, since it couldn't close above, it's still got to be considered a level of resistance. So 9 cents, and then the next key overall one up there at, that makes it easy, 10 cents. So 9 cents, 10 cents, next two key levels of resistance. But at the end of the day, as long as the price starts to build higher bases and build those higher lows, long-term chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.